Most people buying a high-end robot vacuum today look at one number first. Suction power, yes. And on paper, 30,000 pascals sounds like it should solve every cleaning problem in the real home, but here's where it gets more complicated. After a few weeks of use, filters begin to clog, airflow starts to drop, and that initial performance slowly starts to fade. The suction rating technology stays the same. The actual cleaning performance, though, doesn't. And let's be honest, you don't want to clean your floor before your robot cleans it. Today we're taking a closer look at the eufy Omni S2, a robot vacuum and mop designed specifically around a different kind of idea. Not just strong cleaning on day one, but performance, yes, performance that actually holds up over time. In this video, I'm going to walk through how the core suction system works, how the mopping system performs, and most importantly, how it handles, how this little beast handles real-world cleaning scenarios through a series of practical tests. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. Starting with the design, the Omni S2 immediately feels more like a premium piece of home technology rather than a simple cleaning gadget. The overall build quality feels solid, and the design language is clean and modern, something that can actually blend into a home environment instead of standing out as a bulky appliance. One of the most distinctive elements is the translucent top cover. When the robot starts operating, you can actually see the internal system working beneath the surface, and paired with that there is a glowing ring light that becomes visible through the top. In standard cleaning mode, the light glows blue, and when the robot switches to maximum power, it transitions to a deep purple. It's a visual indicator that tells you exactly what mode the robot is running in. And it gives the whole unit a look that feels genuinely different from anything else in this category. Now let's move into the core technology behind the cleaning performance. The Omni S2 reaches up to 30,000 pascals of suction pressure, placing it among the most powerful robot vacuums currently available. But as I mentioned before at the start, suction pressure alone doesn't fully determine how well a vacuum cleans over time. Real cleaning performance comes down to a combination of suction pressure and airflow working together. That combination is what determines how effectively debris is picked up and how long that performance stays consistent. That is where the multi-cone Cyclone Technology plays a critical role. Instead of allowing dust to quickly clog the filter, the Cyclone system separates debris from the airflow much more efficiently. The filter stays cleaner for longer, airflow remains strong, and cleaning performance holds up over extended use rather than declining after the first few weeks. When you combine that sustained airflow with high suction pressure, the system delivers 100 air watts of real cleaning power. And that makes the Omni S2 the first robot vacuum in this industry to reach 100 air watts. Yes, and no other robot vacuum has reached that benchmark before. The result is a system designed to maintain consistent cleaning results for up to 365 days, and that's around 15 times longer than typical robot vacuums, where performance can start dropping after just a few weeks of use. To give you a clear sense of its power, the eufy Omni S2 delivers suction performance comparable to the professional handheld vacuums, something like Dyson, and it's genuinely impressive. Now let's see how that actually translates into real-world cleaning. As the robot moves through the mix of fine dust, loose hair, and larger particles, you can see how consistently it handles everything in a single pass. There is no scattering, no pushing debris forward, and no visible residue left behind. It's a smooth, controlled pickup that reflects how the suction and airflow are working together in real life. Now let's push it a bit further and see how it handles something more demanding. Even with heavier debris, the robot pulls everything in cleanly without hesitation. And this is where you start to see the difference between high suction on paper versus actual usable cleaning power in real-world conditions. Now, one of the biggest issues with robot vacuums isn't just day one performance. It's what happens after weeks of continuous use. So to test that more directly, I ran multiple cleaning cycles using the exact same amount of debris each time. Think of it as simulating several weeks of regular home use compressed into a controlled test. The same floors, the same debris load, run after run. And what you can see here is that the amount of debris collected stays consistent across every run. There is no visible drop in performance, and even the filter remains cleaner than expected. That means airflow is being maintained properly, and that's exactly the kind of result that matters in long-term use, because it's what prevents suction from declining quietly over time. Now, moving on to carpets, which is where many robot vacuums tend to struggle. As it transitions onto the carpet, the robot automatically increases suction and lifts its chassis. It's built to climb carpets up to 2 inches thick, which covers the vast majority of rugs and carpet surfaces you'd find in the real home. This allows it to maintain strong cleaning performance even on thicker surfaces, where many robots would typically lose efficiency. And it's not just thick carpets. When the robot encounters tasseled rugs or thinner flat carpets, it recognizes the change in surface and adapts its cleaning strategy accordingly. On tasseled rugs, it adjusts its approach near the edges to avoid catching on the fringe. On thin carpets, it calibrates suction to match the surface without unnecessary power draw. The system is reading what's in front of it and responding, not just applying the same setting to everything. Now, hair tangling is another common issue, especially in homes with pets or long hair. But after running this test, you can see that the brush remains clean without noticeable hair wrapping around it. That means less manual maintenance and more consistent performance across every cleaning session. Corners are also typically harder to clean, especially when debris tends to get trapped. But here, the extending edge brush actively reaches into those tight spaces and pulls debris back into the main cleaning path, improving overall coverage. Now let's move to the mopping side, because this is where many robot vacuums start to fall short. Unlike traditional systems that simply drag a wet pad across the floor, the Omni S2 uses a 29 cm self-cleaning roller mop that applies 15 newtons of pressure while continuously washing itself during the cleaning pass. So instead of spreading dirty water across the floor, it is actively scrubbing with a cleaner surface throughout the entire run. In a home with kids or pets where floors see a lot of daily contact, that level of pressure and hygiene actually matters. Let's see how it handles an actual stain. You can see the roller actively breaking down the stain and lifting it off the surface without leaving behind streaks or residue. It's a much more thorough cleaning process than what a passive wet pad delivers. And when it comes to edges, the mop extends outward to clean areas that would normally be missed. Now, to verify actual cleanliness, I'm doing a white test. After cleaning, wiping the floor with a white cloth shows no visible dirt left behind, so it's not just looking clean, it actually is clean. And that's the kind of result you notice, especially when you walk barefoot across the floor or when you have young kids sitting and playing on it. The system also uses electrolyzed water, which is designed to eliminate 99.99% of bacteria without relying on chemical cleaning solutions. So the floor is genuinely clean, not just visually clean. Before running the obstacle test, let's quickly look at how the system understands the space. Inside the app, the robot builds a detailed 3D map of your home and automatically identifies different areas and floor types. You can see the cleaning paths, define zones, and control exactly how and where it cleans. And this is also where the system uses its AI to plan routes and adapt its behavior based on the environment. Now, in real homes, obstacles are everywhere. So let's see how the robot vacuum handles that. This is the kind of stuff you normally have to pick up before running a robot, but we did not pick up anything. We're putting this vacuum to the test, and it's able to detect and navigate around a variety of different objects smoothly without getting stuck or pushing them around. And as it moves between rooms, it can also handle thresholds without any issues. Once everything is done, the robot returns to the station where the entire maintenance cycle is handled automatically. The mop gets washed, refreshed, and prepared for the next run, so you don't have to think about it manually. There is also a fragrance system built into the station with 3 scented diffuser options. After a full cleaning session, you actually notice it. The air in the room carries a clean, subtle scent rather than that faint mechanical smell that usually follows a robot vacuum. It's something you appreciate once you experience it, and it does change how the overall cleaning process feels, how the overall experience feels. So after going through all of this, the main idea behind the eufy Omni S2 becomes pretty clear. A lot of robot vacuums focus on increasing suction numbers, but in real world use, the bigger challenge is maintaining that performance over time, because once airflow drops and filters start clogging, the actual cleaning performance doesn't stay the same. The Omni S2 approaches this differently. Instead of just pushing higher numbers, it focuses on maintaining performance by combining strong suction with a Cyclone-based airflow system designed specifically to keep that performance consistent for much longer. And when you combine that long-lasting suction system with the Hydrojet self-cleaning mop, the AI-powered navigation, and the fully automated maintenance station, what you end up with is a system that's designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping in a much more consistent and reliable way. So instead of constantly worrying about performance drop or ongoing maintenance, this is a setup that's built to take care of most of the work on its own. The eufy Omni S2 is built around long-lasting deep cleaning performance, and you can use my exclusive code eufys2VIP to get a limited time $250 off discount, plus a gift worth $307. All links are in the description. If you want to learn more, feel free to explore. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.